Thinking of how to secure your online business from frauds and chargebacks? FraudLabs fraud prevention can help to improve the revenues by stopping the fraud orders. Why FraudLabs? Flexibility. You can use our FraudLabs score to determine a fraud order or customize your own validation rules. 3. It's absolutely free and no upfront credit card information needed. Easy to set up. The setup is simple and only takes a few minutes. Trustworthy. We have been in the fraud prevention industry for more than 10 years. Key features of FraudLabs: FraudLabs score, custom validation rules, FraudLabs merchant network, FraudLabs merchant area, email notification of fraud orders, mobile app notification of fraud orders. Set up FraudLabs micro plan with 500 queries per month for free to secure your online business in WISECP.